We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment to quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.